shit over here. I want to be in the
Here we go.
Yeah.
We're gonna lay the hammer on each other. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, that was bad.
Okay,
Second attempt.
Let's try it again.
I'm afraid.
Here, let's go less far back.
Oh.
I heard it.
Billy loses. Round 3.
No.
You got one more in you.
What?
You got one more in you, Billy.
If
Come
you're
on.
gonna hit with fryer grease, you can handle this.
Want to do left hand?
Nate's the reigning champion.
Wait, I don't like that.
Oh, wait. Let me get the angle so I can see the bone break.
Yeah.
I feel like wounded, my arms are dangling.
2. Let's do right hand. That's too
Oh,
hard.
fine, it hurts so bad.
Why don't you do right and left? One of you do right, the other do left.
That was actually even.
Is that a draw?
I think so.
We gotta have a tiebreaker.
Woo!
No high fives. Do it again.
All right, winner takes all.
Away from this.
Hold on.
I lost twice.
Billy loses again.
I'm successful.
Give me a victory finger, Nate.
Oh Jesus, this chair.
Woo!
Nick's just put in everything tonight.
I was kind of hoping you'd flip me off, but
I heard the finger part, and that didn't work out at all.
No, I was too excited.
It all hurt.
Billy's a pussy.